Hey guys, welcome back. It is Dyno Day. Kevin has just pulled up. I literally got out of bed probably 15 minutes ago, so we got to get the car started up and we're going to load it up on the trailer so me and Kevin can hang out and talk while we're on the way there and on our way back. So let me get started. We'll get on the trailer. We'll still do our dew strike. We haven't eaten. We're in a rush. So we'll see you guys in the next clip. Probably just loading the car up.
I smell both.
I can smell the clutch a little bit. Kevin has filmed most of the people's dyno runs, so I didn't film anybody's but mine. So as anticlimactic as that was, it made even less horsepower than I suspected. I said it was going to make 340, I think.
Yeah, it made even less than we expected because it smoked even quicker than we thought.
Yeah, well, I mean, you know, it makes 305 horsepower. What do you want me to do? That's what it makes. You know, blowers are overrated. We're just that's what it makes. Sorry. Yeah. It runs pretty good it ran pretty decent for 305 horsepower, so we'll just call that a win. But we did get it on trailer. It didn't blow up. I'm not happy that my AFR gauge is not working now, and the voltage gauge is not working. What the hell? Can't count on that stuff. We made it home. We went to Whataburger. Hold on, I'll get that. Kevin's training me on doing the underside part of the car. Oh gosh. Well, not only did I pay Johnny, I tipped Jonathan and his worker. Tipped his son and the ginger. You know, them boys working hard, man. Strapping all that junk down. All right, let's time lapse it. Well, that's it. Pretty much, I would call it from a performance stand-wise, performance-wise, it was an epic fail, but that's what we've done the last 3 times. You know, the last 2 times we went to the track and going to dyno, we epically failed. But it wasn't a total failure because we had a good time hanging out with Kevin and David and Pirate. Also, Kevin filmed quite a few people's dyno pulls on his channel, Nimrod 1769, so be sure to check that out. Eric had his car up there. Kyle had his Cobra up there. David had his red car up there. If you've been checking out his channel, FXRS Driver, you've seen kind of the build on that. It's 347, and it made good power. It was impressive. James doesn't race with us, but we know him from Holt. He had his big block Mustang there. It made good power. You know, congrats to those guys, especially David and James. They were pretty happy with what their cars made. I think Eric was pretty happy with what his car made. So we, you know, didn't do great, but we pretty much knew that going in. We were going up there to line Johnny's pockets. He's a super nice guy. Always have a good time hanging out the dyno. So, and it didn't disappoint. We had a great time. Look forward to the next one, and hopefully we can represent a little bit better. So anyway, thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. We couldn't do it without you, and we wouldn't want to, but especially thanks for watching. And until next time on the Substandard Leader and Fox Body videos on this here man's YouTube. 1 year, twin turbo, stick shift, Lincoln Town Cars, Ford drag vans, proud owner, proprietor, bartender, clutch slipper, plumber, bouncer of Club Big Boost. He's fighting a good fight against zombie Mustangs and that rascal Dr. Fear. We'll see you guys in the next video, and by God, we got to do a clutch in this car. Don, we're going to put it in. We got to.